So the next topic is define minimum detectable signal, probability of detection, and probability of false alarm. So all these things we have covered in unit 1. If you remember, mathematically we have derived the probability of false alarm. याद आ रहा है सबको? किया था ये सारा कुछ हमने. Now
Yes, ma'am.
the ability of a radar receiver to detect a weak echo signal is limited by the noise energy that occupies the same portion of frequency spectrum as does the signal energy. Do you remember this thing I have told in the beginning in the very first classes of this subject? But what I am saying is कि जो अभी just हमने mention किया था ना limitation कहाँ ये fail होती है. तो रिसीवर की डिटेक्ट करने की जो कैपेबिलिटी है उसे कौन लिमिट कर देता है? उसे लिमिट कर देती है नॉइज़, क्योंकि जिस रेंज फ्रीक्वेंसी रेंज में सिग्नल रिसीव होता है, सेम उसी रेंज में अगर नॉइज़ भी आती है और नॉइज़ अगर बहुत डोमिनेटिंग हो जाए, तो रिसीवर कैन नॉट एक्चुअली आइडेंटिफाई that whether it is a signal or it is a noise. Sometimes noise magnitude is so high that the receiver can get confused, क्योंकि receiver तो सिर्फ किस बेसिस पे नॉइज और सिग्नल को आइसोलेट करता है, आइडेंटिफाई करता है. इट आइडेंटिफाइज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ द सिग्नल. The magnitude, if the magnitude is high, it considers it as a signal, and if the magnitude is low, it considers it as a noise. But in case if noise is very high, right, तो इस केस में नॉइज को ही ये मैग्नीफाई करेगा, नॉइज को ही ये प्रोसेस कर देगा, और नॉइज को ही अपना भगवान मान लेगा, नॉइज को ही सिग्नल मान लेगा, और सारी कहानी उल्टी हो जाएगी. दैट मीन्स द एबिलिटी ऑफ अ रडार रिसीवर टू डिटेक्ट अ वीक echo signal is limited by the noise energy, and that is because it occupies the same frequency spectrum as does the signal energy. ठीक है, क्लियर है? The weakest signal the receiver can detect is called minimum detectable signal. So the first thing which we have to define is minimum detectable signal. So what is the meaning of minimum detectable signal? It is the amount of signal or the weakest signal which a radar system can detect. Okay, a weakest signal to which a radar can detect is called as minimum detectable signal. Next is detection is based on establishing a threshold level at the output of the receiver. ये लाइन तो बहुत सिंपल स्ट्रेट कॉमन है, कम्युनिकेशन सिस्टम में भी आपने डिजिटल कम्युनिकेशन में भी मैंने पढ़ाया है, बताया है कई बारी कि रिसीवर पर हम एक डिसीजन डिवाइस लगाते हैं. डिसीजन डिवाइस के को हम थ्रेशोल्ड वैल्यू डिफाइन करते हैं, और अगर मेरा जो रिसीव्ड सिग्नल है वो थ्रेशोल्ड वैल्यू से ऊपर मिलता है, so the decision is taken as yes, decision is taken as high output, and if the received signal is below the threshold voltage, the decision device takes a decision as low or zero or no. ठीक है, so always there is a decision device at the receiver which takes the decision on the basis of threshold voltage, threshold signal, threshold level, right? And it is assumed that the noise signal is always less compared to the desired signal. So signal level जो है उसका threshold value, comparatively threshold value से signal high होगी, voltage high होगी, और noise की value threshold से comparatively कम होगी, low होगी. ठीक है. Now if the receiver output exceeds the threshold, यही लिखा है exactly जो मैंने अभी आपको बोला है, that if the receiver output exceeds the threshold, a signal is assumed to be present. This is called threshold detection. So if the signal, received signal, is above the threshold voltage, this is called as the threshold detection, and it is assumed that the signal is present. Is this clear? I think these
Yes,
concepts
ma'am.
are very simple, very straight, which you should have studied or you must have studied in your communication also. है ना? पढ़े हुए ना ये सारा कुछ, डिसीजन डिवाइस, थ्रेशोल्ड, थ्रेशोल्ड डिटेक्शन. The next thing is the probability that the radar will detect a specified target at a particular range is known as probability of detection (PD). So these are very straight things that simply you go on reading them and you will understand them. You just need to practice, revise, and there is nothing difficult in these things. Okay. Then the probability of false alarm. What is probability of false alarm? Too low threshold increases the likelihood that the noise alone will rise above the threshold and be taken for a real signal. Such an occurrence is called a false alarm. So simply false alarm is sometimes whenever the noise voltage exceeds whenever the noise voltage exceeds तो जो रिसीवर है इट डिटेक्ट्स इट एज अ सिग्नल एंड देयर इज अ फॉल्स अलार्म दिस इज कॉल्ड अ फॉल्स अलार्म ओके ठीक है पढ़ाया भी है हमने पहले व्हाट इज फॉल्स अलार्म then the probability that the radar will make a false detection when no target echo is present is known as the probability of false alarm so target नहीं है फिर भी जो हमारा रडार है वो क्या करेगा it assumes that the target is present there because of the false echo signals so this is called the probability of false alarm